Of course, Wealthy Affiliate teaches you how to promote other companies' products and services, but can you actually sell your own products and services using the skills that you learn on Wealthy Affiliate? Well, the answer is yes, because Wealthy Affiliate is teaching you the fundamentals. You're going to learn how to find a niche, how to create a website, how to write content for that website, and then how to get traffic. So, get a bunch of people to see your website. So, once you can get those fundamental pillars in place, then you can sell pretty much anything. It doesn't really matter. You can monetize in any number of ways, including selling your own stuff. So, for example, maybe you want to start an arts and crafts business where you create specialty items and you sell them, or you want to sell baby clothes, or you do knitting, you draw paintings, whatever you want, you can actually write about it in your blog. And as long as people are finding it, which you'll learn how to do, how to get traffic through the training on Wealthy Affiliate, then you can sell pretty much anything, including your own products and services. If you want to try out Wealthy Affiliate, you can use the link in the description. It's completely free and there's no credit card required. But before you do that, you might be wondering if Wealthy Affiliate is actually legit. And so I actually answer that question. You can find out by clicking this video on your screen.